Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anastasia. I'm doing videos about cleaning, lifestyle, motherhood, posting about once a week, and I live in UK with my husband and baby, and hopefully you like my stuff, what I do, and yeah, press that button to subscribe and enjoy the video. Today I'm gonna do extreme cleaning. This was a really big task for me. One of the most strong cleaning videos I probably ever done. I haven't done much, but this video is we cleaning our storage room or conservatory. In our house we have this conservatory room, which usually it's just for dumping things. Recently it was quite a lot of stuff we just put in there and we're forgetting, and we're thinking, oh, maybe next day I'll sort it out, and months passed and we never did. So at some point it's a good weather and we decided to clear all the stuff away, and I decided to clean all the plastic and windows and glass, and I think this conservatory was never cleaned before. This room is quite awkward. It's really hot in the summer and it's really freezing in the winter. So we're just using it to store our camping gear and cleaning products and some food. My husband decided to help me. I'm rubbish at sorting things out. I love cleaning. This is my favorite thing to do, is to clean. It's one of my favorite things to do is clean, but I really don't like to make decisions where stuff goes. But he is really good in that, so he helped me a lot. We decided to take everything out, just sort out our shelves. We'll bring things back which we only want to keep, and the rest will go to the tip, recycling or donation, or maybe I'll sell something on eBay. Feels really good to do it. Feels really nice, because to be honest, that room was a bit heavy feeling on your soul. I don't know, do you know what I mean? Tell me in the comments, by the way, if you have this kind of similar rooms in your house, or maybe corners where you just put stuff and you think, oh, I'll sort this out later, and you do it maybe after a few months when it's already a big pile of stuff. So this room is really important for our house, but it was really neglected. We have a lot of spider web, cobwebs there. It never been cleaned, I think, outside, and the roof is really dirty. We had a couple days of good weather and decided just to give it a go. Honestly, it was a hard labor for me, but I really enjoyed the result. I'm really happy how it turned out. Now I can just sit in the garden and look at my white, clean conservatory, and I feel good about myself, and I feel good that I done it. I'm just using one product. It's a cream cleaner. You can buy it in any stores. It's pretty cheap, but it's doing such a good job on the PVC, plastic, windows and any this kind of material. I was so shocked. I was really surprised. You don't need to scrub a lot, you just need a little bit of water, and this cream cleaner is doing a good job. Doing section by section, I decided to go from left to right, and I'm doing from top to bottom. In this case, I do not miss any spots. You can see how many horrible dirtiness, kind of green on the windows and on this white plastic. I love cleaning, it feels so therapeutic. I'm in my zone when I'm doing it. I had a really good footage of my dirty conservatory. I filmed it. I thought, oh, that would be amazing for really nice juicy before and after, because the conservatory was inside out, was really dirty, but I lost the footage. So it's a bit upsetting, but just carry on showing you what I have and just keep going. I used about a whole bottle for the whole conservatory, from inside and out, and the roof. Show you difference. This is after and this is before. Let me know in the comments if you quite like this. If you like this kind of videos, how do you feel? What would you like to see more? Found a spider, chucked it. It's alive. Hopefully no spider was harmed during filming. now I start on the floor. So my floor in the conservatory is liner. It's so porous. Every single mark is kind of like imprinted inside. Cream cleaner, great thing for that. So a little bit of water, brush and cream cleaner, and you just scrub it, not so hard even, just kind of lift all the dirt out from the floor. And I was impressed. I never saw that kind of floor. I've always thought that we have floor a little bit brown, but actually it's more kind of on the grey white side. And now we have our conservatory is most light room in our house. I wish I had so much light in my kitchen. So this is the finished result inside. Tidied, all the walls and the floor is nice and clean. Next thing I need to do is to wipe the glass with some glass cleaner, just to take that kind of residue off. I just use normal glass cleaner from Astonish, really good UK company. This is one of the biggest challenge for me, is to clean that roof. Ta-da! Look how dirty it is. I don't think it was ever been cleaned. Ideally, I would need to call a professional that would do it quicker and much more efficient. But I decided to give it a go. First of all, I decided to clean the gutters. There was a lot of dirt inside, and you can see how much I don't even understand why dirt in that gutters. Where it's from? It looks like a garden dirt. Do you know what I mean? Earth. So again, little bit of cream cleaner, or not little bit. My brush and my super mop. I love that mop. Sadly, I broke it at the end of the video, but that mop actually cleaned whole roof. By the way, if you're a professional conservatory cleaner and you have all the equipment, please comment in below and tell me what do you think about my technique. And this is after. This is what was before, and this is after. You can see reflection. I'm so chuffed. Now it's time to do a quick outside clean. The weather wasn't really nice to that conservatory, so we have a lot of grey marks all over. And this is the test actually of the cream cleaner. I have a sponge, and I just tried to clean it with normal sponge and it didn't work. Now a little bit of sieve and not so much pressure, just quite easy, you know, relaxed brush action. Ta-da! I love it. Look, that's amazing. Give it a try. Try on your windows, try on your conservatory. You might think, oh, why do I need to clean outside if it just doesn't matter the weather, and you know it's quite rainy in the winter. But when you walk in your garden and you just see it kind of sparkly white, it makes you feel happy. It makes me feel happy. Nice quick rinse. So rinsing it, all the residue, all that cream cleaner. And the last step is to do the window clean with glass cleaner and old rag. Before and after. Ta-da! Well, I'll keep my pram, our recycling paper. The shelves need to sort a little bit out to go through again, but so much more space. The floor is clean, everything is nice and white. I'm really happy with the result. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Give it a nice fat thumbs up. And I would like to see you in the next videos. Thank you so much. Really appreciating your support. Bye!